Dear David, you asked for feedback on your remarks at our recent conference. The data is just now available. GM speakers had scores ranging from 0 to 10. Yours ranged from 3 to 10. The 5 outside speakers' average scores ranged from 5.25 to 8.25. Your average was 7.35. 2 speakers had higher scores than yours. Your standard deviation from the mean was 1.719 and ranked second among the variances, showing that most people had a similar opinion about your remarks. I personally enjoyed your remarks very much. Your refreshing candor, coupled with your broad understanding of people, product, and the market, gave us exactly what we asked you for: widened competitive awareness. Thank you for your participation. Signed, Outside Speaker Effective Analysis Group. This story is a real example of an American multinational automotive manufacturing corporation, GM, in Bob Lutz's book, Car Guys vs. Bean Counters: The Battle for the Soul of American Business. In 2001, Bob Lutz, who was ordered to save GM in crisis, diagnosed the company's core problem as bean counters. Bean counters is a cynical term for executives who place too much emphasis on numbers and data. The company can't create a good product with numbers and data alone, nor can't create ideas that attract new customers. Don't be swayed by bean counters that seduce you with flashy numbers and data. Management is not science, but practice.